Hello, welcome back to Memecoin Ninja, and today let's get into day 7 of our VIP channel Sweet Spot Signals. Let's go one by one. So these are all Sweet Spot alert. So at 5:34 p.m. today, as of September 21, we got the alert for MRLUST. So this was captured at 5:34, and the current market cap at the time was around 38k market cap. So let's see if there was an uptrend or downtrend after that. So after 5:34, so here is where our sweet spot signal captured, and it was around this time probably, and after that it went up till 50k market cap, which is probably around another 25 to 30%. Let's move to the next one. The next one is Cloud. This was captured at 1:25 p.m. At that time, the current market cap was 33k market cap. So let's get into our deck screener. All right. So after 124, oh, it's very interesting. So after 125, which is probably around this time, it went all the way up till 27k market cap, which is probably around 8x. Yeah, and it's still going on. Let's move to the next one. So this is 50S50D. So this was captured at 1:09 p.m. and at the time the current market cap was at around 38k. So let's get into the deck screener. So after 1:09, all right, so after 1:09, it was getting into downtrend. So it was a rug pull after that. The next is Dave coin. This was captured at 10:43 a.m. and at that time the current market cap was 31k. So after 10:43 a.m., which is around this time, after this one, it went all the way up till 2x. Let's move to the next one. The next one is Sam coin. So this was captured at 9:35 a.m. and at the time the current market cap was at 35k. So after 9:35 a.m. So after 9:35 a.m. this went all the way up till 111k market cap, which is probably around another 3x. Let's move to the next one. So this was caraway. This was captured at 6:03 a.m. and at the time the market cap was around like 41k. So after 6:03 a.m., which is probably around this time, was at 41, and then it went all the way up till 40. I mean, it was a downtrend after that. Let's move to the next one. The next one is MITCH. So this was captured at 10:11 p.m. on September 20th. And the current market cap at the time was 42k market cap. So let's go to the deck screener here. All right, so after 10:11, which is probably around this time, around like 42k, and then it went all the way up till 84, which is another solid 2x. Let's move to the next one. The next coin is NFC. So this was captured at 10:02 p.m. and at the time the current market cap was at around 50k. Let's go to the deck screener app here. All right, so after 10:02 p.m., which is probably around this time, yeah, around this time, and then it went all the way up till up till 111k market cap, which is another solid 2x. Now let's move to the next one. So the next one is order. So this was captured at 9:10 p.m. and at the time the market cap was 40k. So after 9:10 p.m., which was around this time, went all the way up till 54, which is probably another like 30%. And let's move to the next one. The next one is Joy. So this was captured at 3:41 p.m. and at the time the market cap was at 48k. So after 48k, it went up till 65, which is probably around another 25 to 30%. So that's it for today, guys, and we will see in the next video of day 8. Until then, it's signing off from Memecoin Ninja team. And for more information, visit our website www.memecoinninja.com. And if you need a free trial, please send us an email with the subject line as free trial, and we'll certainly provide a 1-day free trial. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day.